Hi, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Ivanna, and we're both tasty producers, and our job is to look at food on social media to get inspired, but we don't always make it. But today, we're challenging ourselves to make the viral touchdown cheeseburger. And we've never had it before, so we're gonna look at a video from Explore My to see if we can figure out how to make it.
Look at the bun though. That's like a brioche or like a milk bun or something. What kind of cheese do you think
it looks simple though. It looks like a smash burger, American cheese.
Because it melts so quickly, I'm like, it's gotta be American. Now I'm thinking, since it's so gelatinous, maybe there's a roux in it and it's like a bechamel. Like it's not breaking when it hits the pan, so that's why I think there's flour in it.
Okay. I think the challenge here will be to recreate the cheese sauce more than the burger.
Yeah, because that's the star of the show.
Of course.
I bet there's white American cheese in there. All right, let's go get some
supplies.
I think we need a cast iron for that like cheese moment.
Okay, I see some there.
We're gonna need a pot to make the cheese sauce. This is to smash our burgers. Box.
I'm just assisting here. Cheddar, throw it here.
Cheddar. Oh, we're gonna need butter.
Cheese grater?
Oh, we're gonna need a cheese grater.
Okay. We're gonna need burger meat for sure. We got the goods.
Okay, so I feel like to get that bubble shot, we have to heat these up in an oven.
I think so, max temperature.
Okay, I'll put these in the oven.
Okay. 4 tablespoons of butter.
We don't want it to brown, we just want it to melt. We're gonna add equal parts flour. So this is 2 tablespoons.
How do you know when the roux is ready?
So once it looks like a cohesive thing, like see how the butter and flour are still separate?
Yeah.
And I like to cook it for like 2 minutes so it gets that raw flour taste down. She's bubbling. We decided to add evaporated milk.
Yes.
Ivanna's suggestion, because it's gonna add more viscosity to our sauce.
How much cheese am I shredding?
I feel like we need at least 2 cups of cheese.
Okay, well, one of my problems in the kitchen is that I have little hands. It's hard for me to hold this cheese.
Oh, that got thick. Hold on. This burger is from Tokyo. It's like an American-inspired diner, and this burger is on the menu. They prepare it for you tableside, and then you eat it right away.
Is this enough?
That should be enough. That's enough. All right, let's try it.
That's not too hot for you?
It needs salt.
I love it.
I'm gonna turn the heat off.
Okay, so this is a white cheddar.
And this cheese is pretty salty.
I always wait to add salt to the very end. This is mozzarella.
Ooh. Theirs didn't do a cheese bowl like that. Maybe they didn't have mozzarella.
Maybe they didn't.
It needs salt.
It does.
It also needs more cheddar. The cheddar, to me, is because that milk was a little bit sweet. It's helping balance out the sauce a little bit and have like bite to it.
Oh, that's thick.
You like it?
We like.
This is just some Parmesan I grated, fresh for you.
Oh, thank you.
And I'm also gonna get milk.
Yeah, this is a little too thick.
This is thicker than theirs.
I will say I'm salivating though.
I don't want to put like a little Dijon in there.
Oh, we're getting adventurous.
That's damn good.
No, I could eat that as soup.
I think we nailed it.
I think so.
We'll reheat it when we need to, but let's make the burgers.
Sounds good.
So smash burger is one that you press down in the skillet. It's really thin, gets really crispy edges. And this is gonna help you press it down evenly so you get like really crispy, gorgeous edges. Okay, I'm cheating. I bought a store blend. These are too big, so we're gonna have to put some gloves on and break them in half. In the video, it was 2 patties. But should we do 3?
I think we should do 3.
I'm just preheating our cast iron. We're just gonna do salt and pepper. Easy peasy.
I mean, with beef, I think that's all you need. Salt and pepper.
These were 4-ounce burgers that I bought. We're breaking them in half to do 2-ounce.
So we're gonna do meat.
Good sound. We're gonna add this.
Teamwork.
Look at that. Oh.
Whoa, that's a big patty. That color.
We did it. We did it.
While that's still hot, we're gonna add the cheese just so that it melts as we cook the other burgers. Meat.
Parchment.
Smash.
Cheese. Look how it just melted on its own.
Oh, that's great.
So I was thinking we could make a variation of yum yum sauce, which is usually served at hibachi. We got mayonnaise.
Some tomato paste.
And I'm gonna add rice vinegar. Some garlic.
Measure with the heart.
Well, garlic, yeah.
Yeah. No, that's not a teaspoon.
Let's do a teaspoon of paprika. We're gonna add some melted butter and then a little sugar. Let's mix it and then see if it's what we like.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's good.
So we have our burgers, we have our cheese sauce, we have our mayonnaise. We just gotta get the buttons and it's simple.
You're gonna be serving it to an actual patron.
Oh, you know that. So the stakes are high.
And the stakes are high. With your skills, with my heart measurements, I think we're gonna do great.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to, what's our restaurant name?
Oh, we should think of a name. You're Kelly.
Kelly.
I'm Ivanna. So let's just call it Kevin.
Welcome to restaurant Kevin.
Kevin, we're gonna make a viral burger for you. It's gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna start with a brioche bun and some of this yum yum sauce. Are you a sauce guy?
I am saucy.
Okay, we are saucing.
Saucy in the house.
Sauce
Saucy.
her up.
That's how I like to say it.
3 patties. Are you okay with 3
Oh my God,
patties?
yes.
Okay.
We love meat over here.
I'm just gonna put a little ketchup.
Close her up.
She's thick.
She's thick. I'm gonna cut her in half.
All right, Alex, you ready? You ready for your show?
Absolutely.
Okay, this is a moment of truth. If this doesn't bubble, I'm just gonna leave. Here we go.
It got cold.
They had it on a stove, you know.
No, I didn't see that.
I didn't see that.
She kept that on purpose. She wanted us to fail. This is embarrassing. It's supposed to bubble.
Because this didn't bubble, we're gonna take the skillet and put it on the stovetop. We're gonna test how hot it is by throwing some water. I think it's
Okay,
ready.
we gotta
Okay,
go.
let me turn this off.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
That's so cool.
Look at that! Oh, crispy onions! Oh, crispy garlic! 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Round of applause.
Oh yeah.
That looks delicious.
Wow.
Is it hot? It's too hot. Okay, maybe give it 5 seconds. Maybe not.
Oh my God.
Do you love it?
This is so good.
Woo!
This is so delicious.
Cafe Kevin.
Yeah,
Open for
Cafe
business.
Kevin!
I feel like what I like the most is the cheese and the onions. That like embalmed all of it and it just makes it taste even better. I
That's all
am a
good.
loyal customer. Bring this on and I just want more of this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
3 patties are the way to go.
No regrets. If you see anything on your For You page that you want us to try, let us know and we'll try it next. Bye.